Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Danish hot dog. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need a traditional red Danish hot dog sausage, often called a rod pulse, and a soft, elongated hot dog bun. Don't forget the unique toppings that truly define this dish: crispy fried onions, sweet pickled cucumber slices, and a trio of sauces: remoulade, ketchup, and a good Danish mustard. These components are key to achieving the authentic taste. Next, let's prepare the star of the show, the sausage. Gently boil or grill your red sausage until it's perfectly heated through. You want it warm and juicy, but avoid overcooking, which can cause it to split. While the sausage cooks, warm your hot dog bun. A quick steam or a light toast can make it wonderfully soft and ready to embrace all those delicious toppings. This careful preparation ensures every bite is just right. Now for the fun part: assembling your Danish hot dog. Start by spreading a generous amount of remoulade inside your warmed bun. This creamy, tangy sauce is foundational. Then, carefully place the hot sausage into the bun. Next, layer on the sweet pickled cucumber slices, adding a delightful crunch and tang. Finally, sprinkle a good handful of crispy fried onions over everything, and drizzle with ketchup and mustard to your liking. Enjoy your authentic creation. And there you have it, your very own authentic Danish hot dog, ready to be savored. This iconic street food is best enjoyed immediately, while the sausage is hot and the bun is soft. Pair it with a refreshing cold drink for the full experience. Whether you're enjoying it as a quick lunch or a fun snack, this combination of flavors and textures is truly unique and satisfying. Get ready to enjoy a taste of Denmark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.